I'm gonna let you in on something every man is secretly obsessed with. It's something he craves, more than love, more than money, even more than sex. And the craziest part is this one secret obsession holds the key to winning a man's love, attention, and total devotion for life, but not one woman in 1,000 even knows it exists. And those that do almost never share it with another soul. But after 12 years of working with thousands of amazing women as a relationship coach, I've witnessed this secret male obsession to be the key to a man's heart. Because once you understand it, you'll be able to make the man of your choice feel a burning desire for you that's so powerful that you'll literally become the most important person in his life.
You can click the link in the description box to get immediate access to this life-changing guide with its powerful secrets. And totally transform your love life forever. 5 steps to make a man obsessed with you. Let your confidence shine through. Are you the type who easily gets shy? Do you proudly show your talent when people request you to sing? Can you confidently face people when you really have to? Or do you cower behind your man whenever you attend parties or hangouts? If so, you have low self-esteem, and it is only natural that your man will lose his interest in you. We all know that it's not really easy to be confident when you are naturally introverted, but being confident doesn't necessarily mean you have to mingle with people you're not acquainted with, or that you have to laugh out loud to be the center of attention. It's mostly about feeling secure with yourself. When a man sees you being comfortable with who you are, or treating yourself special, he will feel proud of you even more, become obsessed, and will make an extra effort to show other people that you're his woman. Visual contact and smile. For 58% of men, visual contact with the partner is very important. Do not forget to look into the face with confidence. But do not overdo it. Do not constantly glare with his eyes. The expression love at first sight can be paraphrased safely as love from the first smile. 64% of men say that it is the smile that a girl meets a potential partner, the deciding factor in the matter of further communication. This happens even before you exchange a couple of words. Be there for him. Along with using your body as a tool to seduce him, you are going to want to use your personality too. The more you are there for him when he needs someone, the more he will start thinking of you when you are not around. He will grow fonder of you, if you just listen to him. That's what a girlfriend does, right? So start being the perfect girlfriend, before you are even his girlfriend by acting like one. Make his friends adore you. If his friends love you, you are in for life. So, make it a point to not only be cordial, but to get to know all of them on a deeper level. Ask them about themselves too. Become their buddy. They will so appreciate it. And they will be so jealous that your man gets to date you, and not them, which will make your man want you even more. Men are competitive. And they are territorial when it comes to women that they love or are into. Guys want what other guys want, no doubt about. So, bro out with them, play some Mario Kart, or Call of Duty with his buddies. He would do the same for you, if he is a good guy of course. Keep your door open. The only way you are going to get a man hook, line and sinker, is to open up to him, and let him in. This doesn't mean you have to spill your guts, but you do need to let him get to know you from the inside out. Talk about the now, the stuff that matters to you, and you are on the right track for certain. Let him know your goals, hopes and dreams, and opinions on things that are important to you, and hopefully him as well. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you find it useful, don't forget to share it, and make sure to subscribe to see more video in the future. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.